everyone. I'm Tom Cole, General Manager of Auto Chair here in the United States. Our first sequence that we did was showing you how to put a sling underneath your user. The next sequence that we're going to show now is how to do a load into a vehicle and also give you an idea of what a properly placed sling will look like when you're lifting your user. So let's go over to the vehicle. We're going to take our lift and go all the way down first. Now we're going to hook up with our leg tabs first. Come in a little closer. Lock the wheelchair in position. Put our two leg tabs that came underneath the legs both onto the middle pins. The reason that we do that is this way, once the side straps are attached, it's impossible to slide through the sling. From here, we'll unlock our chair, come up a little closer, relock the chair. We're going to take the tab from this side, and that's going to go onto under the arm and onto the tab. And again, here, we'll do the same. We'll take our lift and start our lifting process. Now what we want to make sure of when we're doing the lift is that we're always lifting from the sternum area. So now that we have the weight off of the wheelchair, we'll take that out of the way. Now you'll notice with our swing design, and we use a nylon material with a foam padding in the side and back so that it gives good lower back support, good trunk support, and good support in the hip area. So if you have a user with limited trunk support, this will give them a much safer, much more comfortable ride. You'll also notice that, as I say, we are lifting from the sternum area. So this way she remains in a completely seated, upright position. It's very simple to move the user wherever you want to, just using the handle in the back of the sling. At this point, what we're going to do is come up. We're going to raise high enough to easily clear the legs into the vehicle because we do loading with legs first. We'll take the unit, make sure that's close to the door, and then we'll take your user and allow them to be very close to the unit here. Lift the legs a little and bring in. Now at this point, the legs are already inside the vehicle, and we're always staying in front of what we call the B-pillar section. From here, we'll continue up until we can easily clear over the seat. Now, because this is a vehicle with lower headroom, we have to make sure we clear enough space for the head. So from here, we'll come down until the head easily clears in. Now, if your user has the ability to tilt their head, at this point we'll have them tilt the head. If they do not, what we'll do is keep the head straight. We'll just apply a little light pressure to the side, which brings the hips in. And then continue up now that we have the head inside. From here, we'll just push back and hold. The way that our unit works at an arc, it allows us to keep the hips and the lower back right to the very back of the seat. So once we have the person down, they're in a perfect seated position. Once the tension is off the sling, we'll just unhook our tabs. At this point, bring the unit all the way down. Take it apart. Unplug. Take the entire unit out of the vehicle. One huge advantage of our lift is the fact that it's made totally out of aluminum. The heaviest piece that you lift is 17 pounds. So it's very easy to move around.